Thank you. Tino says that sounds delicious. Sorry. I was muted. Broccoli cheddar soup is very good, but I'm hot. It's not very good if you're on a diet and trying to lose weight. Ended. He said you can't get rid of me. You'll just like fade into the background like all of the other ones, Jared. Yeah, Panera is very good. The Panera broccoli and cheddar soup is very good. Is that Whitney? Whitney, you can't be on the stream and not say hello. Girl, I actually thought about you. Was it like last night or the night before? Jerry said I'm always muted. At least my wife mutes me. We have had no trades yet. Oh, shoot. But actually, if we had, I wouldn't know because I have my volume on nothing. Okay, well, no. It's 9:36. Yeah, Whitney, I didn't even know you were on the live. You have to say
Order
hello.
submitted.
I miss you like crazy.
Target filled.
Oh, target filled. What the hell was that? Do you see me looking? I have no idea what just hit target. So NQ night was 1 for 1. There were no NQ evening trades. ES is a no on Wednesday. But I have no idea what just hit. Maybe. I don't have my other VPS open. No, ES hasn't traded yet. ES hasn't traded yet. It's right here. ES nor NQ have traded yet. So maybe it's one of my new setups. But I don't see what it could be. What's up, Roland? Yes, please say good morning. I love to see you guys. Are you on TikTok? Yes, I'm always on TikTok. I'm currently on live_BoldBot, but I think it's actually BoldBot Girl. I don't really know how you can have like a username and a nickname. So it's like at BoldBot Girl, GIRL. No numbers. Because someone created one with a number to try to impersonate me. That's not me. What's up, J3? All right, so no trades yet besides the overnight win that we had on NQ. It's Wednesday. This is typical. Hi, Corey. My NQ night keeps messing up and making my rhythmic connection go red for some reason. Oh, that's weird. What is Apex doing right now? 70% off and the one-day eval? Oh, did the one-day eval close yesterday? Oh, you know what I need to do, though? Well, it doesn't actually matter because...
Order filled.
That was... Oh, shit. Hold on. Okay, I fixed it. NQ early hit. I do not have an NQ early trade. With what? What? Are you sure your settings are correct? Yeah, I don't know if they're going to do 90 again. Honestly, this sale, I don't know if they're going to do 90% again. It seems like now their new thing is 80% or 70%, and then the one-day eval pass being like the thing. Yeah, you should check your settings. NQ early did not take a trade yet, and neither did ES early.
Order submitted.
Now I'm in an ES early trade. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I was doing this all night last night on the live. And I was like, I need someone to hold my hair back like this. And Laura was like, I'll hold your hair back in Vegas. Yeah, you will, Laura. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. This is the one that says the $sign, and this is like the really loud one. Let's go, ES. Oh, everyone else is hitting NQ and I'm not. You know that happened last week too. Hopefully there wasn't like a disconnect. Up, up, and away. We want that anyway. Let's go, ES. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe, are you guys on MNQ? Remember,
Order submitted.
the MNQ data is different than the NQ data.
Target filled.
Target failed on, oh, RTY. Maybe that was the one before. Oh, no. RTY hit target. And it's a play today. Let's go. Let's move back up. Yeah, my NQ early. Did you guys have a long or a short on your NQ early? Because if you see my candles, like that, was it like this? No. No, it couldn't have been this. And like this candle didn't close anywhere outside of the box. I feel like ES is being like stubborn lately, but ES is always actually stubborn. Maybe it's been spoiling us when
Order submitted.
it's been doing things a little faster lately. ES is coming back up. What else just got in a trade? Oh, this other RTY that I'm testing. So NQ night 1 for 1 for $100. RTY range 1 for 1. Well, those are both ranges. RTY 1 for 1. If you don't follow me already, make sure you follow me. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. You know what I need to do? I need to get my streaming message that I don't have because I had to do a full reset last night again. I'm not sure why. No. Yeah, that's not possible. Let's look at it together. It even went above the target. Make sure you get with Irma to check your settings because look at, do you see this red arrow? That was my target and then it still went 84. It went another 2 points higher. Oh, you guys had a short? That's what you're saying? I feel like NQ early is about to have a short. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate when I have something so good and I haven't released it yet and then it's like this freaking ES early is acting like a shithead, but the one that I'm running in simulation is doing really well. I'm like, oh, just want to get. Oh, look at the magic line. Do you guys see this over here? So this is part of the premium package. Do you see how it touched? Do you see that? All those wicks. Oh, I was going to increase the font on this.
Stop filled.
Those hit the offsets. All right, let's see. ES, go back up. ES can still come back up here. But NQ early should be taking a trade soon. We'll see if... I think it was just like a...
Order submitted.
All right, NQ's in the short. And ES is in the long. But we could grab both. Like, it would be easy to grab both, even though they're going in different directions. ES might hit first now. We'll have to see. It's Wednesday. Wednesday is a tough day. But ES is green. Good morning, Donnie. Can you guys see that? It's 9:45. There's no other reports this morning. Just FOMC minutes at 2, and there's like a 20-year bond thing at 1. You got your money for Taco Bell time? Good, it's coming up. Nice. Yeah, it seems like a lot of people hit on that initial NQ early. That's okay, I didn't. If you're on YouTube, please hit that thumbs up. If you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. Do you guys see this? Do you see how perfect this is? This is the magic line. And it's truly magic. I wonder to see.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ. ES could still come up and recover here. So let's cheer for that. Now that NQ hit. Yeah, so some people are 2 for 2 on NQ early. I am only 1 for 1. So some people are 2 for 2 on... Oh, I hate when I do that. It literally just... I don't even know where I click.
Order canceled.
I click somewhere and then everything just... It goes away, disappears, or whatever the wording might be. All right. Wednesdays. I wonder if I should move this here since I always lean this way. You guys can still see this? Okay. If you want more information, just email me. I'm trying to do the whole, like, picture thing. Oh, MES hit. So his MES hit, but obviously ES has not. All right, let's go, ES. Let's pick it back up. We need ES to move up and not down. So if you were running MES, it seems like that hit, but ES has not hit yet. Whitney, are you coming back soon? Algo's done for the day. Nice job, Dan. Mike, this was yesterday. Evals, small setback PAs, inch forward. Oh, that was Dan yesterday too. Jason, yesterday his PAs were all green. His evals had a loss on ES. Ooh, ES is coming back up. Jeff M. Nice. Texas Sloth. He was on the stream last night. We were having some fun. Nice job, dude. Yesterday was a really nice day. Yesterday was the first day of the week. All right, let's see if ES can come back up here. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. NQ is what's holding it down because of that level from before. Let's go. Let's go, ES. Let's scoot you in a little bit more. Push, push, push. Yeah, I know, but when I did the face thing the other way, when I had the charts be the whole screen, you couldn't even see them. Because you can't really see this anyway. Like, because Dell told me that Jen and I need to start showing our faces to get more people on TikTok. He's like, whenever I see a live stream and somebody has their face on there, then they have more viewers. I'm like, okay, so I'm trying it. Listen, I'm trying, okay? But it's fine, Foxy, because you have this, like, you have this whole thing, so you could just watch it on your end. It's really just more entertainment. And it's for people that want to see, like, us live, that it works, because, you know, Kyle does market replay, and then people will be like, well, why are you doing market replay? Why don't you show it live? And, like, obviously, I go live every single day. Jen goes live every single day. Thanks for all the hearts. Swag. Kyle already swagged it out. 3 trades. 1 had 2 contracts. Quick moves. Done for the day. Yeah, the one I was in, look at William. $50 to $100 a day will build your cushion. Waiting for a manual opportunity or not. Nice job, William. Look, he's already made over $50 on all of his accounts. Do you guys know $50 times 10 Apex accounts is $500 a day? Times 20 accounts is $1,000 a day. Times 20 trading days in a month is $20,000 a month. $10,000 to $20,000 a month by making oh my gosh, I did it again. By making $50. All I do is click something on the right, because I want to just like move my mouse and click it. And so I move it on the right and I click, and it freaking minimizes everything, which makes no sense to me. William. Like, William has the secret. It's so funny because it's not his secret, but he has it down. Like, he knows his plan.
Order submitted.
And he sticks to it, and he doesn't divert from it. RTY is in another long RTY range. Let's go, RTY. So RTY is 1 for 1 to a NQ night is 1 for 1. NQ early is either 1 for 1 or 2 for 2, depending if you got that first trade or not. I only had 1 trade, not 2 trades. And then ES early is still in the long, and then we have this second trade of RTY. Because replay is where you get nasty. Doing it on my laptop, so I'm watching you. Well, there you go. And just listen to me, Foxy, because I'll just give you the information. You might have had that first trade on NQ that I didn't, but either way, they've all been wins on NQ. So it's 9:52. Do you guys sit on your feet? I sit on my either foot or my leg all the time. And when I go to restaurants, I always take like one shoe off or both shoes off and then sit Indian style in the booth. My mother said that was weird the other day. I don't care, Mom. Let's hit target.
Target filled.
Target filled. We give you that information in the group. Bulk. All right, RTY is 2 for 2. NQ early is 2 for 2. NQ night is 1 for 1. ES is making its way back up to hit target. So we have a private settings spreadsheet that you get access to when you join. When you join, you will go in there and it says like RTY, don't run it on Mondays. So then you just don't turn it on Mondays. Or if you turn it on, it's on simulation. Or this is the best day to run it. Like the best day to run it is Tuesday, Wednesday. You should go to Japanese restaurants. I think you'd fit in. I should. I've actually never eaten at a Japanese restaurant before. All right, so the only thing we're waiting for here is ES. Everything else is hit. So NQ night was 1 for 1. NQ early is either 1 for 1 or 2 for 2. RTY range, 2 for 2. And then we're waiting on ES early. We're going to be patient and cheer her on and get this move back up. Applying same strategy. What do you mean? Why isn't everyone in the group on the same bot? They are. Mostly everyone runs the same strategy. Did I say something that made you think that they weren't? Because it's all about the data. So this data is off of my cash account. If people are using Apex, they could have slightly different data. That's the reason for that NQ early 2 trades or 1 trades. Caleb, then you need to check your settings because it definitely hit at least once, if not twice. But yeah, you don't have to, everyone doesn't have to run the same thing, what Kyle's saying. You could also be a manual trader that utilizes my chop zone and my manual alerts, and that could be your plan. Also, some people just want to take like one win and be done for the day. Yeah, there's a lot of different setups to choose from. Some are higher risk, some are more conservative. So it really just depends on what fits with your plan. Yeah, you guys, NQ early dropped like another 5 points after I hit target. So everyone should have hit NQ early. There's absolutely no, like, my target was 59 and it dropped to 48. That's an extra 11 points of drop after my target hit. So all of you should have 100% hit that NQ early. 100% with absolutely no doubt. It's not like sometimes if I hit and then it's like it goes one more tick and then turns around, that's a big deal. Oh, he's just saying it didn't enter. You may have had like some type of disconnect last night. Sometimes that will happen then, and then it seems like the connection is off, even though like you have the green ball and all that stuff. Yeah, and Q early is 2 for 2 for you. Nice. Hey, Campbell. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. I'm going to play pickleball after this, and then that's it. I really don't have many plans today. I probably need to run to the grocery store at some point. Let's go, ES. ES is climbing back up. Let's go, ES. Let's go. You can do it, girl. We need NQ to get over 505. That's where the magic line is, and that is what was holding ES down. Let's go. I'll zoom you guys in here on ES. This is ES. Sam, can you see that? Let's go, ES. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got to cheer for her. Sometimes I feel like it's too flat. Go, go, ES. Go. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. So this was my entry up here. So we have to get above, obviously above the blue box. NQ needs to get over that 505 for ES to be successful in this trade. That's honestly my opinion. Do I have to stay on top of this, or can I set it up once and forget it? So you turn it on every single night, but that is a very good question. If things change, which maybe they change like on a quarterly basis, maybe I increase the target or I decrease the stop loss. Like last night, I updated gold LIS to have a smaller stop loss. So I update those things in the spreadsheet. I highlight them yellow and I make it known in the social group, which is Slack. So very similar to Discord, but it's not Discord, it's Slack. So I put an announcement in there, hey guys, I updated the stop loss on gold LIS, check it out, and it's highlighted in yellow for a week. So, you know, when updates like that happen, then you just have to go into your settings and update it, and then you're good to go. But essentially, your commitment every day is to just turn on the algorithms before you go to bed. So the strategies themselves will be in the strategy box.
Order submitted.
Like they'll never leave the strategy box, and you just turn them on. I gotta open up my other VPNs. What? Okay, cool. Oh, now it says that. I don't know. It said like one a second ago. Nice job, Danny. Danny's been in the group for like ever. Let me pull you guys back a little bit. Danny, NQ early 2 for 2. Done. Nice job. We're still waiting on ES. Let's see if we can get that. so indecisive this morning. Well, it is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. I try to just let it do its thing. And if you see the clothes behind me, yes, I work in a closet. You'd think after 4 years, maybe I would have upgraded my space, but no, because this is where I get the best internet. Even though I do use the VPS on most stuff now. Like, I have 2 separate VPSs. ES is just a slow mover. She just, like, moves at her own pace and does her own thing. Oh, I fixed it. I fixed it, Carlos. I fixed it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. If you're on TikTok, tap that screen. Just go tap, 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 tap. It's Fed minutes, yeah. But usually we'll get some morning action, you know what I mean? And this morning is just pretty boring. But hey, we're 1 for 1 on NQ overnight, 2 for 2 on NQ early, 2 for 2 on RTY. So we're 5 for 5. The only thing we're waiting on is ES, which I'm not sure if it's going to come. But I want it to.
Order submitted.
If it closes under here, ES will take a smaller lot. Oh, no, it won't. You know why?
Stop
It's
filled.
only one.
Stop filled. Order
All right, let's
canceled.
move back. Ooh, we're moving up. We're moving up. We're moving up. We're moving up. Go, go, go. Sam, do you see this? Go, ES. Go, 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 go. Go, ES, go. We're almost back at the top of the box. Go, ES, go. Go, go, go. I do like the version of the live better. Cool. Guys, we're almost there. Let's go. You see my big old head?
Target filled.
Target filled! You guys, everyone should have hit ES early. Let's go. We stayed patient. All right, so now it's NQ night is 1 for 1, NQ early is 2 for 2, RTY is 2 for 2, and ES early is 1 for 1. 6 for 6 on the day. 6 for 6 on the day. On the standard algorithm, bold range right here, standard. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's on the screen. Can you guys see that?
Order submitted.
Order submitted.
Target filled.
What the fuck is that? Oh, is that this one that I'm testing? The NQ, the zones? Oh yeah, NQ zones. At the bottom. Nice! Nice. Do I have it? Am I testing it on both? So NQ night. Six for 6 on the day. Whoa, look at that move up. Well, NQ got above. Ooh, we're back at that daily level. How is the new zones doing today? The new zones is red $50.
Order submitted.
It's taken a FAU trades. Let's go. Can we move higher?
Order canceled.
Yeah, we're live every day. 9:30 to 10:30, which is what I'm doing right now. It's 10:05. And then 2 to 3 p.m. And then Kyle will be live tonight from 6 to 9 p.m. Let's see if we can get above this daily level at 23 and get back up to 47. That's what we want for the student play. Usually I don't put that out here on the free stream, but that is what we want. Ooh. I was going to type it to the students. We want that student play, okay? Okay? Oh, yeah. Kyle's not live today. I forgot. He has plans with his family. I forgot. Amy. I was probably adding that guy's ID. Let's go. Can we get over this 24? 23? Whatever it is. Let's see NQ. NQ is now above the magic line. NQ Santa's in a long over $800. No, Kyle R., you're not good enough. What does that mean? Kyle K sings. He talks about his very unhealthy diet. He can't find his words when I'm on the live with him. And you're not loyal. Listen, I am so big. I'm a Leo. I'm not like big in astrology or whatever, but I'm such a loyal person and I really believe in loyalty. Kyle said, wow. Like I get it. Sometimes people have to leave for whatever reason, but like Kyle R., like you're doing fine and you choose to not be part of the group. So how loyal is that? How loyal? Kisses. Kisses. All right, see if we stay above this 505. He's so good. People love him. Oh, I just got like an eyelash in my eye, like severe.
Stop filled.
God's mad at me.
Stop filled.
What time is it? All right, I guess we're not getting above that level. Did anyone take the short there? I might get an NQ early short now because I didn't have a second trade earlier. We'll have to see. Results are coming in. Rick. Nice job, Rick. Slow and steady. Down bad trade. Down bad doesn't know what slow and steady is. He's just fast and furious. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't know. $18,000, $19,000. Nice job, down bad. YM that I'm testing is in a long green, $100. All right. I'm probably going to wrap it up soon. It's 10:10. I feel like I don't know. Remember I told you like my neck was bothering me? Well, I just slept funky. But I feel like I kind of have like a headache in the back of my neck, if that makes any sense. It is Fast and Furious. Tino, you're Fast and Furious too. I don't know that like $26,000 and it was like Red 1700. NQ's just hanging out around the magic line. See if it wants to go back under 500. It couldn't stay above that 24. We will see. It is Wednesday, and it's FOMC minutes today. I'm so glad we got that ES.
Order canceled.
That makes me so happy. I see letters. We need a premium earning channel for some folks. Would you guys like that? But then who's going to see it? Just premium people, and you guys know what you're doing. Just put premium earnings when you're posting your premium earnings. They're so good. And everybody wants to see them. And then it helps people to decide if they want to upgrade to premium or not. Because I can say whatever, and people are like, oh, I don't really believe you. Or, you know, it's your business, so of course you're going to promote the upgrade. But that's why I push you guys to post. That's why I push you guys to speak for the business and speak for the products, because I think the results speak for themselves. But if no one was posting results, people wouldn't know how well or not well other people are doing, if that makes sense. So that's why I asked you guys to post some results for the business and for just the people within the group. And then they're like, oh, well, that person is running this and doing really well. Maybe that's something I should think about or whatever. I'm ready for live student moves. I'm ready for the student move too, but, you know, it's being tight. It might not play until FOMC minutes. Ash, midterm results. Nice job, Ash. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. All the 300s. I'm actually hungry, but I'm not going to be eating anything. Anyway, I took an Advil. Don't they say you're supposed to only take Advil for your neck and below, and you're supposed to take Tylenol for your neck and above? Essentially, like, Tylenol is better for headaches, but Advil is better for, like, body pain. Something like that. So maybe I should have taken a Tylenol. I don't know. See if NQ's ready to hold and move above 24 here. It's just hanging out at 500. I'm ready for the student play. Just run up like 50 points. Go, go, go. Go, go. Oh, how did that Santa long do? It was green 800. He was showing Santa last night. It's so funny because it was like red, I don't know, $800 or $900, and then it got it all back. And we were like talking about food, and then he was like, see, people? Santa brought it all the way back. We got to stay above this 500. 505 area, and then we have to get above 24. So William, push it up. Push it up. There you go. You're at 5. Push it higher. Oh, I get what you're saying. Like for the Fast and Furious. I could call it that. Fast and Furious earnings. The YOLO. The YOLO earnings channel would have like so many reds and then so many big greens. You know who would be posting in there all the time is Ben. I need to message him. I haven't talked to him lately. He is green, I should say. Santa is green, not red. All right, I'm going to wrap it up soon. It's 10:15. I want to go play pickleball. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Maybe sometimes I'm too loud and I need to just start whispering. You can always compliment my nails. I love this color. This is a new color. It's called like sand something. I love it. Thank you. Are we allowed to compliment the nails because they are doing good justice? Listen, I appreciate it. I always like to wrap my... That's going to sound weird. But I'm going to say it anyway because I don't give... I always like to wrap my hands around something to show my nails. And I think nail models actually do that. I used to say... I was never like a skinny person. I was always like... I could be a hand model though because I have like long, rough, pretty... I wouldn't say like skinny fingers, but... I don't know, and I think I have nice nail beds. So I was always like, I could be a hand model. Is that something fat people say? But anyway, everyone's beautiful. So who cares? But yes, I love this color. But I like to, like, whenever I take a picture after I get my nails done, I usually like to, like, maybe hold my keys or hold something, especially with a contrasting color, like a darker color, so you can see the color of, like, the nails. But yeah. I said, you're funny as fuck. No, I really used to be like, I could be a hand model. I could also be like an ear model. I have really small ears. Do you see how little my ears are? And yes, I have sideburns because I'm Middle Eastern and we're very hairy. Oh my god, I used to get made fun of so bad in like middle school for having hair on my arms. And I don't even have that much hair on my arms. Like, I actually don't. But kids would be like, oh my gosh, you have so much hair. And I'm like, what? And those are the same kids that are probably like balding right now. Okay? I'm just saying. Okay. Joe. I don't know who Joe is. I'm just... Listen, I have to compete with Kyle. I gotta keep it live. Let's go. Can we move up? Can, like, the market make some moves now? Well, we are going into 10:30. Remember last week, every single day was kind of crap until 10:30. So, oh, here we go. Maybe we'll get a 10:30 move up. Let's go. It's 10:17. All right, we'll hang out if we're getting some action here.
Order submitted.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. We're back at that level. Do you see this level? We got to get above 24. NQ has to get above 24 if it wants to keep going. Actually, we didn't get back there yet. We're only at like 18. The Kylo show is coming soon to a podcast near you. Could be a nail and hair model. Thanks, Tino. I do really like my hair. It's kind of short. She took 2 inches off, but it'll be fine. Yo, why am I being left out? Okay, Jen wants to be part of the podcast. We need to get over 24, okay? But I do like that name, the Kylo. Kai J-Lo. The Kai J-Lo. Medication. That's why she's being left out. Listen, this is a drug-free zone, okay? Just say no, Jen. Just say no. NQ needs to get it together. I want this move up. Up. It's 10:20. Let's see if we get it going into 10:30. The Kylo Joe show. Kai Jolo. Joe Kylo. But she's not a Joe. She's a Jen. The Kylo. I'm putting the J at the end. Seriously, a podcast would be really fun. But I have no idea anything about podcasts. And, like, what would we talk about? Like, we would end up just talking about our personal lives instead of trading. And then people would be like, aren't you guys traders? And be like, listen, leave us alone. The low Gen Kai.
Target filled.
J Kylo. I like the J Kylo. Can we move back up here? I don't know what the hell just held target. Can we back above 505 and 520? No, NQ's like, fuck y'all. It's like, fuck y'all. I'll give you guys 500. That's pretty much it. Pickleball, hair, and nails would be great subjects. I am so busy and so stressed. It's true. I can't even take time to find stock setups that I want to find on the algos, let alone start a whole nother thing. That's what Aiden and I were planning one day. Oh, you guys should. And then we could, like, do it together. It'd be so fun. But you really have to think of, like, new topics all the time. And I don't want to talk about current events because that's just boring. All right. I don't know if we're going to get this 1030 run up. It's 1021. We got to get back above 500. And then we got to get back above 505. And then we got to get above 24 if we want to move back up. And this 500 has a lot of sellers. You guys are planning a podcast, to start a podcast together. You guys, I can't wait for Vegas. We're going to have so much fun. Money Moves would be the podcast. That's a really cool name. Yeah, ours doesn't really say anything. Just that who we are, Kyle. I don't know. Who would be our first sponsor? Is that how you do it? I would listen to your podcast. It would be so inappropriate, but you can just say whatever you want on podcasts, right? It would be a lot of shit talking, just like such inappropriate stuff. I don't know. There's this one that I see on TikTok where it's like two ladies that are probably in their 50s, and they're really funny, and they give like no shits either. Are we going to get a move up or no? I don't know who our first sponsor would be. I have some ideas. What the hell is Apple Watch? What? Apple Watch question mark. What are you talking about? You want to see my Apple Watch? It shows I've done no working out today. But I will soon. Very soon. Apple Watch is our sponsor? You mean Apple? Apple Watch is not their own company. Just like you motherfucker. I would do that, but then I'm going to get like a big flag on my account. I'm trying to tilt this a little bit. Kyle, get it together, okay? I don't even know what's going on now. All right, we're at 510. Let's go. Can we get to 524? We got to 518 a few minutes ago. Can we get to 524 and then to 550? Can we? Can we? These nails. I think I'm being like funny and cute, and then I'm gonna have snot coming out of my nose. What's up, Dan? Tap that screen. What do you guys do with your fingers? Like, I'm trying to think of like an activity that might have you tapping. Like, I don't know, video games? No. Maybe if you play like Candy Crush or something. I don't know. Can we? Haha. What? Just tap the screen, Dan. Just go tap, 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 tap. Oh, are you talking about the price moving up? Yeah, I'm waiting to see. I want it to. It's got to get above. This 518 is what kept it down a few minutes ago. 18, 24, and then 50. I keep them warm in my nose. Oh, first sponsor USA Pickleball. I would love that because literally that's all I talk about. Can we? Can we, Dan? Do you see how that changes? Because that's that gray. Good job. All right. I'm really trying to see if we can move up here. It's just sitting at 500. But there's no reports coming. So it's like, what are you doing? Just move up. People are waiting on you, okay? You're just going to make people wait all day. People are waiting on you to move up like 50 points or 60 points. Something like that. And now, a word from our sponsor. You guys are so funny. You should see what the price looks like around this magic line. It's horrible. All right, 505. Let's talk about it again. 505. 505. Should I put the like ticket thing up here? Oh, well, it doesn't even matter. Now it's at like 96. It's 10:26. I'm going to hang out for a little bit longer just to see what happens here with price. Well, now it's at 93, so maybe not. Now it's at 92.
Stop filled.
Now it's at 82. So it was a 500 play, clearly.
Stop filled.
It was a 500 play. Something I'm testing got stopped. Is this NQ early? No, it's not. All right, I'm done for the day. I'm going to go play pickleball. Thanks for joining. I'll be back tomorrow at 9:30. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m., and then that's it for today.
Order submitted.
And yeah. Have a good day. Bye. Bye, YouTube.